If you spot any of the animals I'm about to mention, get ready. Wealth is about to flow into your life. Today, I'll reveal 5 animals and insects that, if you encounter them, especially if they visit your home, will bring you luck and fortune. Not only that, but they can also carry messages from the universe and even from loved ones who have passed on. Pay close attention, because if any of these creatures cross your path, it's a clear sign that fortune and prosperity are on their way into your life. So let's dive in. First up is a classic symbol of good luck, the ladybug. This little creature isn't just a sign of luck, it's also associated with health, love, and wealth. So if you see one, celebrate. It's a sign that prosperity is touching all areas of your life. The next time you encounter a ladybug, remember, it's not just an insect, it's a messenger of good fortune. Now let's talk about the butterfly. You've probably heard that seeing a butterfly means good news is on the way, and it's true. Butterflies symbolize joy, peace, and spiritual journeys. However, the meaning can change depending on the color of its wings. For example, a black butterfly might bring a warning, as it's often seen as a harbinger of bad news. On the other hand, if you spot a white butterfly, it signifies a very positive time ahead. White butterflies represent purity and fortune, announcing moments of prosperity, happiness, peace, abundance, and love, all the best things in life. Imagine seeing a white butterfly fluttering by on a sunny day. Could it be a sign that good news is on the way? How exciting! But white butterflies aren't the only ones bringing luck and prosperity. Have you ever seen a blue butterfly? These beautiful creatures also symbolize joy and hope. Picture yourself feeling down, and suddenly a blue butterfly lands nearby. Doesn't that instantly lift your spirits and fill you with optimism? Butterflies in general are always a sign of good news, prosperity, abundance, and luck in every aspect of our lives. They are also considered messengers from our loved ones who have passed on. If a butterfly appears unexpectedly around a special day or anniversary, it might be a loved one sending you a positive message. Isn't it comforting to think they're watching over you? The colors of a butterfly's wings carry deep spiritual messages. Yellow might encourage joy and creativity, while red could be urging you to be brave and take action. Have you paid attention to the colors of the butterflies you see? Maybe it's time to start. Next up is a creature that might surprise you. Spiders. Yes, spiders. These little beings are often misunderstood and feared, but they carry powerful messages. Spiders are among the best indicators of good luck, especially when it comes to money and abundance. If you spot a small one, it's a direct sign that significant financial gain is on the horizon. Imagine finding a tiny spider and knowing it could mean a promotion at work or a salary increase, a positive shift in your financial situation. In Chinese culture, a spider hanging from a thread symbolizes happiness descending from the sky. Isn't that fascinating? Despite their reputation, spiders bring us signs of wealth, prosperity, and money. How incredible is that? From now on, we should view these creatures as friends, or at least treat them with respect. If you must move them outside due to fear, do so gently without harming them. Now let's talk about another magical creature that brings good luck, the hummingbird. When a hummingbird visits your home, it's believed to be the spirit of a deceased relative, reassuring you that they are well and that you shouldn't worry. Isn't that comforting? Hummingbirds also bring good news. They could signal a promotion, a new job, a salary increase, or financial compensation. Essentially, they announce that money and abundance are filling your life with happiness. Are you going through a tough time or facing a problem? Seeing a hummingbird means that your troubles are about to be resolved. The next time you encounter one of these delightful creatures, make a wish. Legend has it that they grant wishes and make them come true. Moreover, the hummingbird is a messenger that connects directly with the universe. So seize the opportunity and, with strong faith, ask for what you desire in your life. Finally, let's dive into number 5. One of my absolute favorites, the dragonfly. Dragonflies are not only among the most beautiful insects you'll ever see, but they also carry a multitude of positive messages. When they appear in your home, they symbolize victory and good fortune. Imagine you're waiting for important news, maybe the money you've been expecting, the sale of a house, or even a reconciliation. A dragonfly's appearance is a sign that everything will work out in your favor. It's like the universe is telling you that a very positive change is coming to your life. Dragonflies also symbolize abundant harvest, purity of water, healing, and even seduction. Think about the last time you saw a dragonfly. Did you feel a sense of peace or hope? That's their magic at work. From a feng shui perspective, having a dragonfly in your home, garden, or patio signifies good luck, especially in work and business. They can herald an increase in sales and new clients. Isn't that incredible? This is why it's highly recommended to have a picture or ornament of a dragonfly in your workspace, study area, or entrance hall. Additionally, dragonflies are believed to be messengers from our loved ones who have passed on, serving as a bridge between worlds and bringing comfort and reassurance. Personally, I find dragonflies absolutely fascinating and wonderful. Don't you agree? Now tell me, which magical creature is your favorite? Have you encountered any of these amazing beings recently? Leave a comment and let's create an interactive community together. If you are eager for a second part, just let me know and I'll gladly prepare it for you. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love for you to join our magical community. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.